In this video, we'll show you how to use the tutorial feature available within the software. The tutorial is available for a new patient to demonstrate the steps for performing a fractional exhaled nitric oxide test with the Fenom Flo device. Breath samples are not analyzed. No results are presented or recorded in this mode. From the main screen, select the tutorial icon. When you have arrowed through all steps, have the patient follow each on-screen instruction. Have the patient exhale into the Fenom Flo, directing them to keep the arrow within the green. An incentive screen can be used by selecting the radio button at the bottom. A 6-second test can also be practiced by selecting the radio button at the bottom. The patient can practice multiple times by clicking the retry button after the timer completes. Touch the home icon button when finished with the tutorial to return home. Please contact your local distributor or call the MGC Diagnostics Technical Support phone number, available in the Support tab of the About Help menu.